Now, this is the Japanese AI. In this case, AI has two meanings: algorithmic information and artificial intelligence. This product harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to listen and decode the modern key signal data of Toyota and Lexus models from 2023 to 2025. Once the data is obtained, you have full access to emulate all functions, including remote and keyless entry. If you are interested in learning about specialty products, our team of skilled engineers is now ready to take on new custom projects for specific models.